Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be trying out the new Airbrush concealer, the Airbrush Flawless Blur Concealer from Charlottetilbury. This is weightless, full coverage, creaseless and stays all day and night. So if you know, I'm a big fan of Charlottetilbury, and when I saw this new release, I just needed it. Not only did I get the concealer, which is stunning by the way, I also picked up the free clips that you get when you order the concealer. So we're going to pop them in. Yes, I have had my hair done. We have gone a little bit redder and I love it. I love it. So this is supposed to be very full coverage. So I'm really excited to try. So I've been watching a lot of videos with Charlottetilbury, and basically her makeup artists are saying that you are supposed to put the concealer on a certain way. So that is what we're going to try today. So you put it here. So what they're saying is you put a bit here. This is supposed to be very full coverage. Put a bit here, and then a bit here, and then some here. And that is supposed to give you a snatched, lifted look. So I'm very excited to try. Okay, so let's start by blending out the inner corner and see if we can... Okay, wow, yeah, it is very, very full coverage actually. So I'm literally just lifting that, I'm picking that up from the corner, and it is just completely spreading under my eye, and look how brightening that is. That looks really good. Okay, and then up here, which always looks nice when you do a little lighter concealer up that way. This is really pretty actually. Ooh, okay. And then she says to do this area, which is interesting because I get quite oily here, so I can see where she's going with this. This will obviously help with redness as well, but wow, it's very brightening. I went for the shade number 4 Fair Medium, and I like it. I feel like I've gone for the right shade for me. And then what they're saying is to go along here underneath your bronzer and blush. Wow. Tell me that my face looks so much more lifted this side than this side. It's like, ugh, and then here is like, wow. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of my blush just over top, because I feel like I went a little bit too far. Wow, I love it. I love how you need the tiniest amount, and the amount of coverage you get is spot on. That is so nice. Really love that. So that is with, and then that's without. You can see the actual difference there. So let's finish off with this side as well. So I'm going to put a little bit here, a bit here, here, and then some here. I think I'm going to use that technique going forward with any concealer now. But this has definitely got to be... It's so easy to blend out. Okay, this is going to be a hit. This is going to be a hit on TikTok, on social media. This is going to go viral. I just know it is. Because of the coverage, the lack of like blending it takes. I just feel like my skin looks so good right now. Look how bright my under eyes are. They are so bright. Wow. Very, very impressed. This is a short video. I just had to jump on here and show you guys. I'm so impressed with this. wow. I will link it down below. I have a discount code for you guys as well. And make sure you check out my TikTok because I'll do a little bit more full in-depth video over there. But I am really impressed. Love the clips, by the way, as well.